Have you been thinking about buying Fexowin, but aren't sure if it's actually worth your money? You're definitely not alone. With so many new products appearing online every day, it's smart to do a little research before spending your cash. So, is Fexowin legit, or should you stay away? Let's find out. First, Fexowin has been getting attention online, but there's still very limited information available about the company. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean you should be extra careful before placing an order. One thing I always look for is transparency. Does the company clearly explain what it's selling? Are there real customer reviews? Is there a physical business address or reliable customer support? If those details are missing or difficult to find, that's usually a warning sign. It's also worth checking whether the website offers secure payment methods. Avoid paying through methods that don't offer buyer protection. Using a credit card or trusted payment service can give you extra peace of mind if something goes wrong. Another tip is to read reviews from different websites instead of relying only on testimonials posted on the official site. Independent reviews often give a more balanced picture of product quality, shipping times, and customer service. At the moment, I wouldn't say Fexowin is clearly a scam, but I also can't confidently recommend it without stronger evidence that it's a trustworthy business. If you decide to buy, start with a small order instead of spending a large amount of money. So, is Fexowin worth your money? The answer is, proceed with caution. Do your homework, compare reviews, and make sure you're protected before making a purchase.